technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
It's season 2 of Rahul Gandhi's Vote Chori series. The leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha addressed yet another press briefing yesterday afternoon to level the allegations of vote theft while claiming to possess 100% solid proof in black and white. As many were anticipating that this would be the very same hydrogen bomb that Rahul Gandhi was talking about, but it seems that the Congress leader gave it a teaser saying that it is still work in progress. Now, Rahul Gandhi, however, did present new sets of documents and data to allege irregularities and addition and deletion of votes in the country. He's been showing data from a Karnataka Assembly constituency in Nalund to allege that there were attempts to revert delete over 6,000 votes. Now, the Congress MP claims that booths with strong presence of the Congress party in particular were targeted for vote deletions. Rahul Gandhi gunning for the Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar currently and pointedly accusing him of protecting the vote chores and defending the murderers of democracy. Now, Rahul Gandhi claimed that there were attempts to seek details of deleted votes from the Election Commission. However, they were blocked by the CEC himself. Making another big claim, Rahul Gandhi says that he's getting help from inside the Election Commission itself from the data that he seems to be procuring.
ये एच बॉम्ब तो नहीं है, एच बॉम्ब आ रहा है। ये एक और उदाहरण है वोट चोरी का।
Anand is constituency in Karnataka, 6,018 votes. Somebody tried to delete 6,018 votes. We don't know the total number of votes that were deleted in Anand in the 23 election. They're much higher than 6,018, but somebody got caught deleting 6,018 votes. And it was caught, like most crimes, by a coincidence.
मैं साफ बोल लेता हूं, इलेक्शन कमीशन के अंदर से पहले नहीं हो रहा था, अब इलेक्शन कमीशन के अंदर से इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है.
Now let's talk about another Congress MP, and this is Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. The Congress General Secretary and Wayanad MP has now urged people to join the Vote Chori signature campaign. This seems to be an initiative that is now being taken up by the other Congress MP as well, where after Rahul Gandhi is up the ante against the ECI, the Congress party has gone ahead to launch the Vote Chori campaign and urging the people to join the drive. And that is being done by Priyanka Gandhi herself. This is a signature campaign, Tetri, that we are learning that has been an initiative started by the Congress party in particular, so that more and more people come and become a part of what they continue to allege vote chori in yet another series.
Well, absolutely. Now we have seen that it was first Vote Adhikar Yatra that was held by Rahul Gandhi in the port-bound state of Bihar, and now that's the signature campaign that the Congress is going to start. That's the feel that's being made by the Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi, in which she has urged to join the Vote Chori signature campaign. That's the name of the campaign, which is Vote Chori signature campaign. We have been seeing that how Rahul Gandhi has been repeatedly calling out the vote chori and in fact leveling up several serious allegations against the election commission that the voters are deleted. We saw that how there was a second conference held by Rahul Gandhi yesterday, and now here comes the signature campaign where they are inviting the people to join the signature campaign. They will in fact.
So I think she shared a video of that signature campaign and has given out a message as well, where she's saying that they need support to save democratic principles. Let's play out that video.
I urge all of you to join our Vote Chori signature campaign. Just as every vote counts, every signature counts, every one of your voice standing up for democracy, standing up for the constitutional values which we are fighting for our constitution counts.
But there's another controversy that has erupted following the press briefing by Rahul Gandhi on vote name deletion issue, where he's displayed names and photos and other personal details, even the phone numbers of certain individuals. Times Now had a word with one of them, Anjani Mishra from Prayagraj, saying that she's been receiving constant stream of calls since this number was made public. However, there has been denied to having any connection with the matter discussed at the press briefing that Rahul Gandhi was holding yesterday. And the people now are under extreme distress, saying that this is the problem, that they are constantly getting calls from strange numbers as well. And exactly when it comes to this pressure that seems to be mounting on them, because in response, Mishra has decided to file a a formal complaint with the police, saying that they are fed up now.
हेलो, अंजलि मिश्रा जी बोल रहे हैं? अंजलि जी नमस्कार, मैं अतुल बोल रहा हूँ टाइम्स नाउ नवभारत न्यूज चैनल मुंबई से। ये कल राहुल गांधी जी ने आपका एक नंबर का जिक्र किया था, आपको पूरा आइडिया तो होगा ही। उन्होंने वोट चोरी के लिए रेफरेंस के दौरान आपका नाम और नंबर ले रहे थे, तो आपने ये पूरा मुद्दा देखा था? आपको इसके बारे में जानकारी है?
नहीं, फिलहाल अभी तो देखा हमने, क्या उसमें था कि क्या अपने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में बताए, वही हमारा नंबर, मतलब कि बहुत जगह वोट कटा है, बहुत जगह वोट जुड़ा है, यही सब बता रहे थे
जी। तो इसके बारे में आपको क्या जानकारी है? उनका कहना है कि आपका नंबर यूज करके जो है नंबर डिलीट कर दिए गए हैं और बहुत साजिश के तहत ये सारी चीजें की गई हैं। आपको इसके बारे में कोई जानकारी थी?
नहीं, हमें इसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं था, लेकिन ये हम नंबर इसको 15 साल से यूज कर रहे हैं, जो कि हो ही नहीं सकता कि कोई हमारा नंबर यूज करे। भाई हम खुद जानते हैं, किसी को डीपी देंगे नहीं भाई, ये सब मैटर रहता है तो देंगे ही नहीं, लेकिन ये फर्जी तरीके से दिखाया गया है और क्या।
अच्छा, तो आपका कहना है कि ओटीपी आपने कभी किसी से शेयर नहीं किया है, क्योंकि ये पूरा प्रोसेस होता है, कॉन्फिडेंशियल होता है, जब तक आप ओटीपी नहीं शेयर करेंगे तो ये चीज।
हाँ, एक तो मेरा प्राइमरी नंबर है, तो हम काहे किसी को देंगे।
ओके, तो इसके बारे में आपको क्या न्यूज के जरिए पता चला कि कैसे क्या पता चला ये पूरा मामला?
नहीं, मुझे भी न्यूज के जरिए ही पता चला। जब सुबह सुबह व्हाट्सएप पे आने लगा मेरे पे, तो हम देखे कि हाँ ये सही है, लेकिन ये पूरा सरासर फर्जी रिपोर्ट है और क्या।
ओके, तो इसको लेकर आप कोई जो है आगे कोई कार्रवाई करेंगे, कोई कानूनी कार्रवाई करेंगे? क्योंकि उनका सीधे सीधे आपके नाम का।
नहीं, बिल्कुल
जी,
जरूर कार्रवाई तो किया जाएगा भाई, अपने नजदीकी पुलिस स्टेशन या जो भी हो उसको रिपोर्ट तो देना ही पड़ेगा।
ओके, तो आप पुलिस स्टेशन जाने वाले, अप्रोच करने वाले हैं?
जी 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 जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
अच्छा, ये जो वोट चोरी की बातें कही जा रही है राहुल गांधी जी की तरफ से कि जो है ओटीपीज ले लेकर सिलसिलेवार तरीके से धीरे धीरे करके ही सही नाम काटे जा रहे हैं और प्रेफरेबल जो वोट है वो वोटर्स है उनको जोड़े जा रहे हैं, नाम जोड़े जा रहे हैं, इसके बारे में आपकी क्या राय है? ये पॉसिबल है? जो चीजें वो बता रहे हो भरोसे के लायक है?
नहीं, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है। एक हर एक आदमी जानकार समझदार है, ये नहीं करेगा भाई, कोई ये क्यों करेगा और क्यों करवाएगा, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है।
ओके, तो मतलब आपको लग रहा है कि राहुल गांधी ये जो चीजें कर रहे हैं ये कहीं ना कहीं भ्रमित करने वाली चीजें हैं?
अरे पूरा, अब ये ले लीजिए, हम महाराष्ट्र कभी गए नहीं, कहीं आना जाना कभी नहीं, एक आध दिन घूमने टहलने गए होंगे, तो कोई कभी जरूरत ही नहीं है। लेकिन अब देखिए महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटक, राजौरी, पता न कहाँ कहाँ दिखा दे रहे हैं
जी।
तो सरासर गलत है, जो कि हमें कहीं ना आना जाना भी है नहीं हमारा।
तो ये जो आपका ये जो लोकेशन दे रहा है आनंद विधानसभा, उसको लेकर कर्नाटक के, वहां से आपका
Well, you heard that coming in from an individual who rather was named in the press briefing itself. Now the Karnataka Chief Electoral Officer has responded to Rahul Gandhi's allegation, claiming that only 24 out of the 6,000 odd deletion requests were actually genuine and the other forms were rejected, but they were not deleted. However, the CEO also says that the relevant details pertaining to the probe have already been shared with the officials, and the CEO is also said to be constantly in touch with them. But just hours later, the Congress has countered that claim made by the poll body. Senior Congress leader Pawan Khera put out a post citing a letter from Karnataka CID that was dated 9th of September 2025. Now, through this letter, the CID is seen appealing to the CEO to provide relevant details for the probe within 7 days. 7 days deadline that was set, so that the Karnataka CID could further proceed with the investigation. The Congress party is now asking that if the CID is sending letter, then the CEO says he did provide with the relevant information, then why wasn't the information actually shared? However, what's also interesting is that was the ECI itself filing FIR in the case. Further, as per records, it was the Congress candidate, B.R. Patil, who actually won the election from the very same constituency that Rahul Gandhi seems to be focusing in his vote chori allegation series 2.0. Now, the question is, if the EC was engaging in vote chori, why did it file FIR? And if vote chori indeed did happen, then how did the Congress candidate actually win from that very seat? The BJP now seems to be hitting back at Rahul Gandhi, saying that his sole aim rather was to protect infiltrators or घुसपैठिए.
हर बार झूठा नैरेटिव फैलाते. अभी ये राहुल बाबा यात्रा कर गए ना भाई. यात्रा का विषय क्या था उनका बताओ तो जरा. यात्रा का विषय था जो बांग्लादेश से घुसपैठिए आए हैं उनको बचाने का विषय था. राहुल गांधी और लालू जी को पूछने आया हूं. बिहार की जनता आपको पूछ रही है, घुसपैठियों को वोट का अधिकार होना चाहिए क्या?